quickly make this episode, and this is especially for those of you that love to seek permission and you're looking for platform to showcase your business, platform to write a book, platform, different avenues to do what God has called you to do. Yes, it's good for you to look for maybe like a godfather, something like that. I'm trying to relate it. But I'm here to tell you that please start doing it yourself. Don't wait, because sometimes you might wait forever for that one luck you're looking for. Why don't you create your own platform? Why don't you create your own opportunities? Why don't you utilize what you have? You want to start a business, why don't you start in a small way? You want to be a content creator, why don't you come outside the way I just did and film and talk and become who you want to be? You don't need anybody's permission. Yes, it might be fast, or you might feel it will be fast, or it might be fast, but that might not favor everybody. It might just be one out of a 1 million or one out of 100 person. But why wait until that luck comes when you can create your own? So this episode is just telling you that enough of waiting for permission, enough of begging people, of moving from offices to offices, of making all these calls and literally begging people to hear you out, literally begging people to take your product, literally begging people to become you. It doesn't make sense. Do you understand what I'm saying? See, don't get it twisted. Do you understand what I'm saying? It doesn't make sense that you are begging people to accept you to become you. Now, social media has made it very easy. Very easy. Do it in your own way. Start small, start little, just start. Anyhow, just start. The only thing I can tell you is that starting, saying you will start one day is it's different from saying you will start today. Today is now day one. And if you start doing it in 2 months, in 3 months, when you look back, you've made a lot of progress. A lot that if that you sat down idle, you might not have made. So that's the reason why I'm making this episode. Enough of waiting for permission. Share this episode and tell people enough of waiting for permission. Enough of paying all this. Go and do the work. No need. Case closed. Simple. See, I'm serious. Oh God. Don't mind me. Oh. See, don't forget that my book titled How to Fight Pornography and Masturbation Addiction is finally out. Ooh, 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 ooh. So if you know anybody that is fighting pornography or masturbation addiction, and maybe the person has shared it with you, or you have teenagers around, do well to get this book for them. And that's it. Share the word. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on that one. Bye for now. Over.